Hi guys, Dr. Arkady with ReBalance. In this video, I will review one of my favorite products for the prostate. We're all aging, and sooner or later, benign prostatic hypertrophy or benign hyperplasia will catch up with all of us. Unfortunately, it's a part of aging process. Our prostate, for multiple reasons, starts enlarging. Some of the reasons are our sitting lifestyle. When we sit a lot, we have certain stasis within the prostate. And those cells, they start kind of destroying and inflaming some of the lining of the prostate. And as a result, it starts growing. Another reason behind it is abundance of the female versus male hormones. Estrogen starts dominating testosterone. Unfortunately, that also can be a trigger factor for the prostate to grow. We have to do something to improve the health of the prostate. We have to do something to reduce the inflammatory changes in the prostate, get the prostate to work better, to function better, and of course to reduce that irritation of the bladder that we often get with enlarged prostate, and that's why we have those sleepless nights. This particular product, which I personally take and I recommend to all my friends and of course all my patients that started experiencing some changes with prostate, specifically getting up at night to go to the bathroom, or even those that just aging, become older, maybe 40, 45 plus, and would like to prevent, and you know how much I love prevention, you'd like to prevent the growth of the prostate or enlargement of the prostate. And the reason why I love this product is because they didn't just take saw palmetto, which of course one of the most common herb to treat the benign prostatic hypertrophy naturally. They took a very good source of saw palmetto and they added at least a dozen other ingredients. Each one of those ingredients play a crucial role in the benefit for the prostate, to reduce the inflammation of the prostate, to rebuild and regenerate some of the cells of the prostate, to balance the estrogen and testosterone levels within the prostate, and many other things. Among those important ingredients are like vitamin C, vitamin E, B6, folic acid, zinc, which is very important for the health of the prostate, the green tea extract, the pumpkin seed oil. And by the way, the pumpkin seeds that we all know are very important for the health of the prostate, and that's why we always recommend certain nuts as well as the pumpkin seeds to consume in your diet for healthy prostate. They're full of zinc, as well as the beta-sitosterol complex, which is important to reduce the swelling of the prostate, and a few other vital ingredients. So as you can see, it has abundance of really important and very good products combined, all blended in one, so you don't need to take tons of pills. And by the way, they're so potent that you only need 2 pills per day, which is really easy and very good. This particular product called Prostate Health Formula from Da Vinci Lab. So highly recommend, great formula, and those of us who are aging, unfortunately, but aging with grace, we need to prevent all these unnecessary symptoms and start taking the right supplements. So highly recommend. This one is my recommendation to you.